Hi guys, it's your girl Davina HBD and welcome back for another video. I hope you guys are ready for the sledge I'm about to serve you guys, giving you guys this pumpkin fall realness. If you want to see how I create this look, just keep watching. Jumping in, I'm going to take the simple kind to skin smoothing facial toner and a cotton pad and just cleanse my face. And next I'm going to be taking the simple moisturizer and moisturize my skin. This is a really great moisturizer for all skin types because it's lightweight, which is perfect for oily skin, and if you have dry skin you can just add how much you need. Now to prime my skin, I'm going to take the Maybelline pore eraser to get rid of the large pores on my cheeks. And then I'm jumping in with the NYX Angel Vail to mattify all of the areas that get oily. And I even like to put a little bit on my eyebrows so that I don't get shiny throughout the day. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Ambrosia Brow Beauty Brow Gel to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm using the L.A.Girl 207 eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to brush through my brow hairs, and starting by making a line at the bottom of my brows, starting from the arch to the tail and then from the beginning to the arch. And I'm doing the same thing at the top, only I'm not starting directly from the beginning. Now I'm going to be doing these feathery hair-like strokes throughout the eyebrows, starting from the tail going to the beginning, so that I can have a nice gradient. Most of the product will be deposited to the tail of the brow and it will get lighter as it goes to the front of the brow. And then I'm just brushing through to blend it so it can look natural. Next I'm taking the NYX Jumbo eyeshadow in Milk and I'm priming my lips. I'm going to clean up my brow areas with the L.A.Girl Concealer in Fawn, and I'm using an angle brush. And I like to deposit most of the product directly by my brow bone and then just blend it out. And moisturizing my lips with the Bliss Steps Lip Balm. And I'm taking this fluffy highlighter brush and black Opal loose powder in medium to just set my primer so that I wouldn't get shiny throughout the day. And going into my NYX Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this yellow color here, these two yellow colors here, and just tap and blend it into my crease. Next I'm going into this orange color and I'm going to blend that a little bit below the yellow shade and build it up to the intensity that I need. Now I'm going to take orange and burgundy this time around and adding more depth to the crease. And now I'm going in with some burgundy and gray and deepen my crease even more. And next I'm going to be going into the Carrot eyeshadow palette, the ES4S palette. And I'm going to start with this gold and this copper shade. And that's just going to be a base for this gorgeous Ambrosia glitter that I'm going to be using. This glitter just screams fall to me because it's a really pretty brown holographic glitter, and it has really beautiful specks of like gold, copper and green in it. To apply that glitter I'm going to be using the Santi glitter primer, and I'm cutting the crease. I'm going to be doing like a half cut crease, I guess you could say. And now I'm just going to sweep away all of the fallout from that glitter. But oh my gosh guys, I just had to show you guys a close-up shot of this glitter. Taking my NYX Cosmetics 117 flat angled loop brush and Maybelline Superstay foundation in 360. I'm going to apply my foundation. Okay, so I made a little mistake here guys. I started to apply the foundation and then I realized I did not color correct. So before you start to apply your foundation, just color correct first. And I'm color correcting with the L.A.Girl color corrector and orange corrector. And I'm getting rid of those dark circles under my eyes and darkness around my mouth area. Okay, so now we go in with the Maybelline foundation. To highlight, I'm going to be taking the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm just highlighting the areas of my face where the light would hit. You guys know how to highlight and contour. There are like a million highlight and contour videos out there. And in case you guys are wondering, I do have a highlight and contour foundation routine video if you're interested in checking that out. And I'm blending in everything with a damp wedge sponge to make sure there's no harshness where I apply that concealer. I'm going to be blending it out with my foundation brush, and then I'm going to be setting all of the places that I highlight with the same black Opal medium powder. I don't bake anymore because I find that it looks a little harsh and kind of white on the face. I just lightly set my concealer with a nice fluffy tapered shape brush. Next, I'm taking this Pastel Green pencil from Ruby Kiss, and I'm going to be applying it to my waterline. Then I'm going in with this Kleancolor pencil in Forest Glitter. It's a really beautiful forest green kind of shade with glitter specks in it, and applying that to my lower lash line. Going into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to take these two green shades here and just tap it on top of that pastel lime green to make it just pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to take this green color here and just smoke out where I applied that dark green pencil. Next, I'm going to take the Sacha matte face powder in the shade Perfect Bronze. I absolutely love this powder because, let me tell you, your girl got some serious oily skin, and this powder is the bomb.com. To contour, I'm going to take the L.A.Girl Pro HD powder in the shade Coco and just snatch my cheekbones with my NYX Cosmetics Angel Kabuki brush. Now I'm just gonna highlight my face with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold, you know, on my nose and the inner tear duct area, you know, highlight my cheekbones. And I'm bringing that highlighter up to my temples, and boom, look at that. Look at that highlight. Oh my goodness, it's not too much, but you know, it's just enough to blind the haters. Now I'm gonna take the Maybelline Great Lash mascara in Very Black, I think it was. I can't remember, but I'll just leave it in the description box below. You can see all the products that I use below. And then I'm going to take the J Lash Wispy Plus eyelash, and I like Wispy Plus because it's natural, but it's just a little bit of oomph, you know, for when you're wearing these types of glitter looks. I had a little trouble putting on this lash because I have extremely curly eyelashes. Next, I'm gonna line my lips with the Kleancolor lip liner in Espresso, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Seductress. And this is one of those colors that I kind of feel like even if I line it, I might need to go over it again with the liner, you know, just to make sure my lips look defined and the color doesn't make my lips look funny or wash me out or anything like that. Look at that look. I'm giving you pumpkin fall realness. All of that for those eyes. Yes, girl. So if you want to slay this fall with a popping look with those nice traditional fall colors, this is it. This, in my opinion, would look nice on any skin tone. And if you guys try this look, feel free to tag me on Instagram. You guys can follow me there or on my other social media like Snapchat, Facebook, and whatnot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more from me, and remember to be yourself, love yourself, and stay beautiful. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.